Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Welcome back to another cryptocurrency video. And in this video today, we want to talk about waves. Waves performed pretty good today. It's trading at $30.64 and is right now, as I'm recording this video, 8.4% up here on Crypto Bubbles. Actually, on TradingView, on the Binance chart, it's already 40.29% up. So let's check out waves. We start on the daily chart and maybe I zoom out a little bit. Waves performed in February and March pretty good. So it pumped to the top 430%. So the top was here at 31st of March. From this point, unfortunately, it dumped 80%. So to the point we are trading right now, it's 78%. That's actually not pretty good, because right now we are trading exactly here at the same level before this huge pump started. So actually this here is a good support line, what was previous resistance, and also support here. Let's check out the fixed range volume profile. So the most traded volume is between the red line and the green line. So here above would come in the next resistance level. So between this green level and this red level here, there's a little hole in the volume. So maybe that is the reason why waves found here good support and is right now pumping again. So if wave can really reach this area, that would be nearly 30% more pump, more gain. So let's check out also Fibonacci retracement level. First from this low to this high. So here at $28, $29, that is the golden pocket for waves from this low to the high point. So let's do it a box like this here. So also let's do a Fibonacci retracement from the high to the low. So in this case here, that would be the golden pocket for waves. So right now, in my opinion, I would say here is another resistance. And also here, that would be also resistant. So waves need to come over these levels to reach again maybe this high. But we need also more volume for waves. Although we have more significant volume than in January, actually. Look at the volume in January and look at the volume right now. So that is actually maybe a triple of the volume than in January. But the price is still going down. So waves definitely need more volume to come over this level over the EMAs on the daily, and over the Fibonacci retracement level. So, guys, ladies, thank you very much for watching and your attention. And right now, leave a like on this video. Also, smash the subscribe button if you are new on this channel and haven't subscribed right now to my channel. Also, if you want to trade these moves to the upside or to the downside, check out my links in the description for Phoenix and Bybit. Registration will only take 20 or 30 seconds, and then you can open your account and grab your bonus depending on your initial deposit. So now a little disclaimer at the end. This is no financial advice. I'm no financial advisor. Always do your own research and never trust anybody except yourself, because it's your money. We see us in the next video of Nice Trading Bro. And right now, if you are still watching this video, then write in the comments what kind of video do you want to see in the next time. Should I do more videos about TA, technical analysis, or should I make videos about chart patterns, about candlesticks, about normal candles or Heikin Ashi? Should I do a video about my trading story? Should I make a video about more TA on more altcoins? So write me in the comment. And right now, I wish you a wonderful day, and we see us in the next video. So, peace out.